In this video, we're going to be rounding to significant figures. Now, when we talk about significant figures, we're talking about digits other than 0. Some digits that have a value. So, if we take a number, 9,462, and we want to round it to 1 significant figures or 2 significant figures. So, our number 9,462, the first significant figure is a 9. We work from left to right. Our first significant figure is a 9. Like we do with normal rounding, we then look to the digit to the right. And we say, does it make the 9 round up or stay the same? So remember, 0 to 4, we are what we call rounding down. 5 to 9, it's rounding up. So, the 9 would be rounded down because to the right of it is a 4, and that falls within this 0 to 4 bracket there. So we would round down to 9,000. Now, if we notice, our answer has only one significant figure, which is the 9. The rest are zeros. So let's have a look at 2 significant figures. The 9 is the first significant figure. The 4 would be the second. Now we're going to look to the right and say, does this 6 make the 4 round up or stay the same? A 6 falls into our 5 to 9 bracket, so it makes it round up. So the 4 is going to round up to a 5. And then we put the zeros in afterwards as placeholders. Now our answer has 2 significant figures. The 9 and the 5, and then it's followed by zeros. Another example, 0.0492. And again, we're going to round to 1 significant figure and 2 significant figures. Now, in this question, our first significant figure is the 4, because this 0 here does not have any value. So the 4 is our first significant figure. Like we do with any other rounding, we look to the right, and the 9 makes the 4 round up to a 5. 2 significant figures. The 4 is the first, the 9 is the second. Does the 2 make the 9 round up or stay the same? It makes it stay the same. We round down. So the difference with this one is this first 0 is not counted as a significant figure. If the 0 was in between 2 other numbers, so the 5 and the 1, we then have to include it as a significant figure because of this 1 afterwards and this 5 beforehand. It's kind of trapped in between.